Number 5 is Sawgrass UHD SG500 printer. If you're looking for an incredible sublimation printer that won't break the bank, the Sawgrass SG500 with the vibrant Sublimation UHD ink cartridges. This dynamic duo is a match made in sublimation heaven, providing you with stunning, professional quality prints at an affordable price. With the Sawgrass SG500 and SG1000 printers, you'll unleash your creative genius and bring your designs to life in vivid color. These printers are designed specifically for sublimation printing, ensuring exceptional results every time. And let's remember the Sublimation UHD ink cartridges. With their generous 31 milliliters capacity in cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, you'll have everything you need to create eye-catching designs that pop with vibrant hues. To top it all off, this bundle includes 110 sheets of Sawgrass certified Sublimax sublimation paper. Measuring 8.5 by 11 inches, this instant dry paper ensures your prints come out crisp and smudge-free, making your sublimation process a breeze. So if you like this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best sublimation printer under $600. If you want to purchase any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.